5 digital marketing hacks for small businesses. Today we are diving into the world of digital marketing with 5 incredible hacks specially designed for small businesses. This could be your salon, restaurant, boutique, bakery or local service businesses. First on the list we have geo-targeted ads. Sounds confusing? No worries, it is pretty simple. This is a great feature enabling you to target your ad to potential customers within a specific radius of your business location. As an example, if you are running a cafe or a salon and wish to reach customers around 5-kilometer radius, this is the most effective solution for you. Did you know that 72% of consumers who perform a local search visited a store within 5 miles? This could be a game changer for businesses trying to pull in local footfall. Due to the narrow location target, small businesses can afford the ad. In order to use geo-targeting ads in Google or social media, ensure you have your Google My Business and Facebook business page set up ready. Don't worry if you are not yet there, we have shared a detailed guideline in the description below. Once you are set, fire up your campaign with Google AdWords or Facebook Ad Manager. These ads are easy to set up, or you can hire a freelancer from Fiverr or Upwork to do that. Remember, engaging ad content is the key to grabbing your local attention. It is not about the budget, it is about the message. You can create a video ad with your smartphone or use a free tool like Canva to create eye-catching ads. Just imagine this, you are living in Bangalore Richmond Road, scrolling through your Facebook or Instagram feed filled with big brand ads. Suddenly you stumble upon an ad for a quick hassle-free haircut service right at Richmond Road with an instant booking option via WhatsApp. That got your attention, right? That's the power of localized advertising. Moving on to our next magic trick, user-generated content. This is like your customer become your brand ambassadors. Ask them to share their experience with your product or service on social media and tag your business. Boost your brand awareness by creating a unique hashtag and encourage your customers to use it. Believe it or not, 76% of individuals trust content shared by regular people more than celebrities or brand ambassadors. Our next marketing hack is email or SMS marketing. You may be wondering, why should I bother collecting emails or phone number for my small business? Here is why. 81% of successful businesses rely on email as their primary customer acquisition channel. It is personal, cost-effective, and most importantly, it drives sales. Place a cheap tablet at your counter and ask customers to fill in their detail in exchange for a discount on their next purchase. It's a small price you are paying to gain a direct access to your customer base. Start collecting it today. Fourth on our treasure map is WhatsApp chatbot. These AI-powered helpers can revolutionize your customer interaction, providing them with satisfied experience while also make your life easier. It can answer customer queries, provide information, and even perform tasks like booking appointments or processing orders. Do you know that business using chatbots have seen 67% of increase in sales, booking, and registrations? You can use Agent Bot or apps like Messenger People to create WhatsApp bots easily. This could be a perfect upgrade for your small business. Lastly, we have video marketing. Videos are an effective way to reach your target audience. Check out the top social media channels. They are all videos like Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and Snapchats. And why? Because videos work. Showcasing your products, sharing customer testimonial, offering expert tip, or going live. These are all the brilliant ways to engage with your audience. And guess what? You don't need a Hollywood budget. All it takes is your smartphone and a dash of creativity. And there you have it, guys. 5 digital marketing hacks that can take your business to the next level. Remember, the digital world is full of opportunities. It's a time to seize them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.